Model, 66-plate Fiat Doblo 1.3 Ulez compliant spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 74,562. Engine, 1248 cc 263A2000A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this will run for around 4 seconds and then cut out. The engine internals sound good. The timing chain has jumped a few teeth. Fault codes to confirm. You can hear the chain slightly rattling. Grin. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, electric windows. EU status: Ulez compliant. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0. 7